Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're driving on the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the highway that runs from Harborview to Port Antonio on the south coast of Jamaica. This is what the road is going to look like when it's finished. This is 2 lanes. On the other side of the concrete barricade, the other 2 lanes are under construction. So when finished, you'll have 2 lanes going in this direction, 2 lanes going on the other direction. It will be a dual carriageway, 4 lanes in all. And this is how the highway is going to look when you drive from the Harborview Bridge to Port Antonio. This is what it's going to look like. It will be 4 lanes in some sections, it will be 2 lanes in some sections, but this is a drastic improvement to what was here before. And the best part about this road, it's free. You don't have to pay any toll to drive on this road. Don't have to pay any toll. It's a major improvement to the road infrastructure in Jamaica, especially on the eastern part of the island. Remember, it's going to be 4 lanes, 2 lanes on each side, but the lanes on the other side are not completed yet, so that's why you see cars coming up on that side. But once completed, it's going to be 4 lanes and a dual carriageway. So the highway is going to run from Kingston or from Harborview to Albion. It will be 4 lanes, just like what you see here, a dual carriageway. And then from Albion to St. Thomas, it's going to be 2 lanes. From Albion. Albion is in St. Thomas. From Albion to the Yallus Bridge, it's going to be 2 lanes. And then that alignment will continue all the way to Port Antonio. Some lanes will be 2, some lanes will be 4. But that section will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like. And some sections it's going to run along the existing road, meaning the existing road, which is 2 lanes, will be modified to 4 lanes. And at some sections, a new road will be built, totally bypassing the existing road. Okay, so here now, the highway will go straight. However, that section is under construction. But of course, we're going to drive up there and see what's going on. But for now, you're supposed to go right and continue there. But this is a new alignment for the highway. We can go very much further. Yeah, the road is blocked. But the highway is under construction, so this section hasn't been completed yet. Now we're going to turn around so you can see what it's going to look like. I must say, look at it, they just park the equipment here and just leave it. I mean, there's no security guard, there's no security there. They don't even have doors. I'm not sure how these things start or what the process is, but look, there's not even a door, not even a window. They just park the equipment. Okay, so where we are now, you can see the highway straight ahead. So you can see it's going to be 4 lanes in this section. We're going to go out on the existing road because this section is not complete, but this is where just to give you an idea of what the highway is going to look like. We just drove on the finished road, but we're just showing you the alignment. Alright, so let's continue our tour. So this highway started in 2017, the construction. It's scheduled, the entire project is scheduled to finish in 2025. And that is the entire stretch of 110 kilometers from Harborview to Port Antonio. But it's being built in sections, so as one section is finished, they'll open it up to the public. That's why at the beginning of the video, we were able to drive on a finished section of the highway. That section has been finished. And they'll continue doing that until the entire highway is open. So hopefully by next year, we can drive from Kingston or from Harborview to Yalos on the highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.